Is that the 60s roof? There it is. Oh, that is cool.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Look at that.
Everyone loves custom stuff. Shiny or rusty, dented or polished. BC is a great place to find old wrecks. There's so much land out here, so much hidden treasures. It's just a matter of finding them.
Holy smokes, it's like Christmas in here.
It is for sale.
Got it!
You guys want to see trucks? Check this out.
Unbelievable.
You never know what you're going to find.
You don't need any doors. This is way better.
We all have a passion for it deep down.
It's kind of in your blood.
The Discovery Canada original, Bushwreck Rescue. New episode. Stream now.
Next time.
Are you ready?
On Bushwreck Rescue.
Got it!
12 days to get Buford show ready.
I've had all hands on deck finishing the hippie van.
It would be better if this was the right red sport.
Means our fenders aren't gonna fit either.
Fenders are wrong.
What's with the hinges? I thought they were going green.
Of course you did that.
You shouldn't get in business with your buddies.
Look at that. Oh, jeez.
There's nothing better than the car world. There really isn't. She's so finicky. When you look at old vehicles, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, look at the lines on those things. Think about what was going through their head when they were designing that car. Oh, this thing needs a paint job. 18 years old, this paint. The old Impalas and some of the old Mopars and all the old Plymouths and just some of those cars, it's all about the lines and the bubble windows, and they're sexy as hell. The old saying is, wax on, wax off. When you love cars, you love cars, especially old stuff. It gets inside of you. I think some of the best people in the world are the car culture. You ask anybody, walk up to their car and ask them about their car, and they'll tell you everything. We could have used a shinier car.
Can we pull it out?
Bring it in.
I'm not.
Bring it in.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I'm gonna
You're
hit
fine.
the wall.
Just cut her over this way a bit. Yeah, you're good. You're good. Good. Straighten it. Yeah. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Good. We got her in. Look at that. She fits like a glove.
Our marriage would definitely not last if we didn't both love cars as much as we do. Or sorry, if I didn't love them as much as Glenn does.
Shall we?
Thank you. So maybe he found his perfect match after all. All right.
Next time on Bushwreck Rescue.
We've never built a derby car, but we build to win, we don't build to lose.
Let's talk about this build.
An old Ford 100.
It's going to be a gift for his father.
It's another straight axle. I'll cut anything apart. I don't care.
Well, we want to try to win. That doesn't sound like me. We're going to win.
Next time on Bushwreck Rescue.
I did think it was going to be a little further ahead. I thought we would have got more time.
Is it for sale?
We're gonna do $9 grand, $5 grand on the flip of a tuning.
Tails never fails.
So you're interested?
Very interested.
I was part of the whole deal. 6-speed.
If you're real stuck on the 6-speed,
I'm stuck on the 6-speed.
Next time on Bushwreck Rescue.
There she is, bro.
what in the actual
El Camino's pretty much one of the coolest things out there.
We need to have this thing ready
Next week?
tomorrow.
The Apollo build's grown into a monster.
It's on fire. Electric cars is something we just haven't tried yet.
Oh my God.
Absolutely nothing's been done. I'm choked.
This could potentially flip over.
Next time
That car needs to be saved today.
on Bush Wreck Rescue.
Come on, Robin, let's go.
So basically, nothing's been done in a month and a half. Give me some real dates.
You have a flammable liquid, wires everywhere, sparks, heat. This is a bad thing to be doing.
Watch, Papa.
Here it comes.
Oh yeah. So what's the deal about what's going on?
Well, I want to take you to check out this car I've been looking at, my dream car.
67 Camaro.
I've been looking around, and I think I found the most perfect one.
Really?
Yeah. I have just always loved the old muscle cars. I'm really a fan of kind of the mid to late 60s muscle cars, but Camaro, for some reason, has always been the car that I've always wanted. Making my dreams come true.
Wow. Here, I thought I was the guy doing that.
Oh, don't worry, you still are.
I love it. I'm excited, actually.
Here we are. Look at her. She's beautiful.
Wow. Well, well. Hi, Patty.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Incredible.
It's stunning. I mean, look at this interior. It's absolutely mint. It is absolutely gorgeous. The body lines in it, the stance.
This is a 600 plus horse motor in this thing too, isn't
I
it?
think we got a dyno, I think it was 640 horse.
Wow. Every nut and bolt on it's new. Like everything. Wow. This thing is built from the ground up. Every piece on this car is brand new.
And what's the story behind the car? You were restoring it with your husband originally?
My husband built the engine and the tranny. He passed away, he had a heart attack and passed away. And we both kept bucket lists. And the only thing left on his bucket list was to finish his car.
Wow.
And so you did.
So I had to finish it.
Aw, that's amazing. I love the story.
Wow.
He built the engine in this car and it basically sat waiting for whenever he got around to finishing the car. But he never did get around to it.
Well, do you want to take it for a drive, babe, and see what you think riding it?
Me?
Yeah.
I get to take it for a drive?
I wore the wrong shoes for driving today, so I'm going to let Glenn hop into the driver's seat and we're going to see how she handles.
I don't like coming here on one side.
Dusty. Making my car all dusty.
This thing is snapping.
It's not even a purr, it was just a full-on roar. It's incredible.
Car's ripping. Here we go.
Oh, she sounds so good.
Wow, this thing's fast. What a score, man. You nailed it.
This Camaro is stunning. It is perfection. There is nothing wrong with it. There's nothing more we need to do to it. It's absolutely perfect.
It's got some power. Like, seriously. Holy. Well, got my seal of approval.
Does it?
100%.
So we got a deal?
Got a deal.
I am buying this car and I'm so excited about it. I've waited for this day for a really long time and it's finally here. I'm in heaven. I'm just so honored to have this from you, especially with the story behind it. I think it's amazing.
I'm glad they got it because I know they'll look after it.
Thank you, Patty.
Enjoy the car.
Really appreciate your time and everything.
I love it. Couldn't be happier.
Oh, that is cool.
Are you freaking kidding me?
Look at that. Everyone loves custom stuff. Shiny or rusty, dented or polished.
Discovery Canada's Bushwreck Rescue. New episode, Wednesday, 8 Eastern, only on Discovery. Stream on all your favorite devices.
Next time
Something's burning.
on Bushwreck Rescue.
Oh, I love this thing, man.
Got to get me one of these.
Everything is for sale. It's not like his attitude.
You didn't seriously buy this, did you? The roof is rotten. Glenn thinks we can fix anything.
Why don't you do a build-off and see who builds the better Divco?
Deal. Done. And I can't wait. Yes!
Next time
Oh, wow.
on Bush Wreck Rescue.
More exciting when it feels like you're gonna flip over.
Look what I got here. It's a little rotten, but it's okay.
A little. I think it's a piece of
Oh, God, the stupid side of me is gonna say I can do this.
Fire it up.
Fire in the hole.
Yeah! Wowzers. That thing sounds wicked.
Next time
Party time!
on Bush Wreck Rescue.
Robin's more into the lowrider stuff. I like stupid amounts of power. We had nothing.
Well, what did you do then?
I didn't do anything.
If you whip this thing out in a month, I'll be impressed.
He's gonna lose.
Next time I see this thing, I sure hope it's done.
I hope so, dude. Mike, why can't anything be easy?
Bring it on, Glenn.
Here we go.
Whoa!
Mission Raceway Park is a motor complex. They do road racing. Further down the other side, they've got a motocross track. I raced here for many years. This was my home track. Did a lot of great things here.
This is a beautiful truck, buddy.
It's cool, right?
Yeah, like I just love it. I'm bringing the girlfriend here tomorrow.
It's almost ready for paint.
No.
How you doing, buddy? Good to see you. Jimbo? Huh? How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good, bud. Good. We're here to support my buddy Jim Schellenberg, for his Top Fuel bike. We're gonna give him a little hand this weekend to get here to do a few passes. Gonna go fast today?
Hope so, yeah. It's the plan. Glenn, I've known him since 70s. Yeah, I know we grew up in the same neighborhood. He went to school with my brother, so we all hung out in the bush riding our dirt bikes and having fun.
What's the power this thing's putting out?
Puts out about 1,000 horsepower, and it weighs about 1,000 pounds.
Jesus.
The power to weight ratio is pretty good. We all like racing, right? That's why we're all here.
This thing's fast. Is it? This car ripped. That thing's cool. Woo! Oh yeah, baby! All the cars are going fast. They're all hooking hard. Everything in this side, it's sliding all over the place. And these guys are beating it up.
This year.
They're beating it up. Say from, buddy.
Yeah.